Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing vanilla cupcakes with buttercream frosting. They're so moist and fluffy. You guys are going to love them. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Alright guys, we are going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. So in my bowl I have some flour, and into that I'm adding baking powder. We're also adding some salt. Go ahead and mix everything together, then set this aside for later. Next, we're going to mix the wet ingredients. So I have my bowl here with some softened butter. I'm adding in some sugar. Go ahead and whisk the butter and sugar together until very well incorporated. Then we're going to add some eggs. Get the eggs mixed in, and guys, make sure you don't overmix, okay? Otherwise your cupcakes will come out very tough. As soon as they get incorporated, stop mixing. Alright, this is looking good. Next, we're going to add some buttermilk. The buttermilk will make the cupcakes super moist. Throw in some vanilla extract and get those mixed in. Then we're going to add the flour mixture. And I added my flour in 2 batches, that way it's easier to mix. So get the first batch incorporated before adding the next one, okay guys? And as always, do not overmix. As soon as the batter is incorporated, stop mixing. We don't want to end up with tough cupcakes. Also, make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl just to make sure everything is getting well mixed in. Next, I sprayed my cupcake pans with nonstick spray and lined them with cupcake liners. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the batter into each tin. And guys, do not fill them to the brim, otherwise they'll overflow when they rise. Just do about 3/4 full. Next, we're going to bake these at 350 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. So while these are going to bake, we're going to make the best buttercream frosting for them. In my stand mixer, I have some softened butter. I'm whisking the softened butter on high speed for about 5 minutes until it gets very light, just like this. Then we're going to add some powdered sugar. I like to add the powdered sugar gradually because that will incorporate air into the frosting to give you the perfect consistency. Once all the powdered sugar is mixed in, add some milk to loosen the frosting. Throw in some vanilla extract and some salt. Continue whisking on high speed for 5 more minutes until the frosting gets nice and fluffy, just like this. And this frosting is so good, it is way better than store-bought. So by this time, your cupcakes should be done baking. Let them sit and cool completely, then they are ready to be frosted. These cupcakes came out so good and the frosting is amazing. They're so moist and decadent. Look at how fluffy these are. They're super soft. All you want to do is eat them. They just melt in your mouth. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. Please send me photos on Instagram and Facebook when you make this recipe. And please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos because I have many more delicious recipes to come. Bye!